Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to automate your dropshipping business on Shopify? In this video, I will show you how to use AutoDS to find products, automate orders, and scale your store in 2025. First of all, go to autods.com and create an account. Once you are in dashboard, click add a store and connect your Shopify store by following the on-screen steps. Now let's find hot selling products. Go to the marketplace tab in AutoDS and explore trending products from suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and CJ Dropshipping. Filter by shipping time, price, and profit margin. Once you find a product you like, click Import to Store. AutoDS will automatically pull product images, descriptions, and pricing. You can edit these details in the AutoDS product editor before publishing. To save time, enable price automation. AutoDS will adjust product prices based on supplier changes and automatically update stock availability so you never sell an out of stock item. When a customer places an order, AutoDS can fulfill it automatically. Just go to Orders, enable auto fulfillment, and let AutoDS handle the rest, from ordering to tracking updates. AutoDS tracks all your shipments and updates customers automatically. If an issue arises, use the AutoDS Support Center for supplier communication and customer support solutions. Once connected, you will see the AutoDS dashboard. Here's a quick breakdown. Products tab to find, import, and manage products. Orders tab, track your sales and fulfillment status. Pricing and automation, adjusts product prices and stock automatically. Tracking and customer support, helps manage shipments and handle customer queries efficiently. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.